Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how you could ignite safety matches with acid. Check this out. So all I'm using in this investigation is 18 molar concentrated sulfuric acid. I'm going to use Typhoon matches made by Zippo. I'm going to use regular safety matches, my dropper, and I'm going to use this clamp to hold the matchstick so we can get a closer look. Now, of course, ordinarily, to ignite a safety match, you've got to strike it on the side of the matchbox, and that's because the side of the box is made of red phosphorus. And when you strike the match, that strike head with the friction creates white phosphorus that begins the combustion reaction with the match head, which is made primarily of potassium chlorate, sulfur, a little bit of paraffin, and a binding agent. But what would happen if instead of striking that red phosphorus on the side of the box, we just put a drop of 18 molar sulfuric acid on the match head? Let's find out. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.